I congratulate all newly elected members of the Senate. This is indeed an honor, but it is also an enormous responsibility. The Senate represents the unity of the Federation. It represents the diversity and strength of this nation. It symbolizes equality. This is a particularly important time to be taking up this responsibility. It is important for historical reasons, and it is important for the challenges of the present. Almost exactly 54 years ago, in the month of April in 1970, Pakistan passed its federal, parliamentary, democratic, and Islamic constitution. It was the constitution that gave birth to the Senate. Almost exactly 45 years ago, once again, in the month of April, that is 1979, the creator of this constitution, Qaid-e-Awam, Shahid Zulfikar Bhutto, was murdered. Last month, the Pakistan Supreme Court acknowledged the judicial murder and admitted this historical injustice. We have come a long way, but we have a long way to go. Shahid Zulfikar Bhutto, after winning the first election in Pakistan, held on the basis of adult franchise, widely regarded as the only free and fair elections in the country, also inherited a country that was broken. People were polarized. The morale of the institution was at the lowest ebb. The challenge was Herculean. Shahid Zulfikar Bhutto had a lead to process creating consensus, giving hope of giving voice to the voiceless, and formulating the constitution on the basis of equality, of citizenship, and the rule of law.